been recently practicing foundation of graphic design as I realized that I've learned about usability, user experience in my uni, but not really on the side of graphic design. So I've been reading this book called Drawing on the Right Side of the Brain, and initial portrait of myself. That was my partner, and this is a drawing of my hand. And the book basically kind of teaches you how to see objects in real life as a flat plane rather than 3D, if that makes sense. And it's kind of helping you to view the world in artist way. Yeah, I found it pretty interesting, and this is one of the activity that I did, which I draw my own hand, and it's a way to practice using viewfinder, and to make it look more 3D than 2D. And this is another drawing I did today, which is I think way much better than the initial one I did. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So I just went downstairs because the packaging for the cat items have arrived. Yay! So I'm gonna do a little unboxing and setting up session because we have to make our house cat friendly, and we never own a cat, so this is our first time doing that. So the first thing that we got is scratchers.
Oh, is it right?
Yes. So we are currently assembling the cat tower.
I don't know. Oh yeah, and then we have this fish toy that has catnip inside. So hopefully our cat that we're gonna adopt is going to love this.
Yeah.
It smells good. I like it. If I was a cat, I would like it.
Maybe a cat is sensitive in smell, so they can smell very strong. But for me, it doesn't smell as strong.
And it is pretty strong. I'm a cat myself.
This and then balls. Yeah,
This is actually fun. I feel like a kid will have fun with this too.
Pretty cute.
He's purring a lot.
Hello there.
He's so normal. That's not the smart. Yes, that's the spot. Yes, over there. It's very good. Oh, too rough. Slower.
Oh. Maybe she doesn't like it anymore.
Thank you for trusting us, Maggie.